Testtube beauty box. Testtube is a monthly subscription. It costs $29.99 a month. I'll have in the description if there is any shipping. Testtube it's by New Beauty, and mainly it is skincare. So you get tons of skincare, and it's high-end, very high value, and it's new products. It's new products to the market. They're doing an introduction, see what people think, and I absolutely love this subscription. Per usual, it comes in this brown box, and then you open it up and you get this pamphlet of everything that is in the box this month. It's not a monthly, it's an every other month subscription. Because the tube has been so full, there are products on the outside, but this is what the tube looks like. And it has a donut on it. No, it's not a donut. Clearly I'm hungry. It's a swimming floaty thing. Gosh, that looked like a donut. But it looks like they're on the beach, so... Oh gosh, oh boy. But there are a few items that are on the outside, so I'll start with these two items, and we will start with this little brown guy here. This is Shea Butter Cold Press Vanilla Shea Butter. It's cold press, which is very good. And my eyesight, my allergies have been so bad. Let me tell you. What is this? Oh, we can look in our little card here. Spending all that time looking for that. And this is a Shea Nil-A-Tick cold press shea butter, and this is organic creamy shea hydration that helps the skin to stay smooth as butter. Alright, let's see if it smells like butter. Probably smells like shea butter, but oh, it's a different consistency. Oh wow, it's almost a silky Vaseline. This is a really interesting, it seems to be melting down. This is like an oil almost. This is a really neat consistency. This is very hydrating. I wonder if this absorbs. We're gonna feel this in a little bit. Right now it feels really oily, but it feels really good. The smell is it's not bad. It just smells a little organic. It's not that foo-foo smell. I don't mind it at all. It smells, and it's only right when you're right on it. Like if my hands are just naturally moving, I don't smell it, but when you're right on it, it smells a little organic. That is probably the best way to describe it. It's not good or bad, it's just clean ingredients. So I like it so far, and actually just in the short term that I've had it on, it feels like it's absorbing. Next item in here, Derma-e Vitamin C Instant Radiant Citrus Facial Peel. Hey, Derma-e seems to be an up-and-coming brand, which is kind of cool that you're seeing them more often. Here's a little spatula, and it looks just like baby food. It doesn't smell like baby food. It has a light citrus smell to it. Can we kind of see? It's a little baby foodish. So let's read about this. I love vitamin C. I'm sold on vitamin C. Just the fact that something has vitamin C in it, I'm like, get it on my face. I cannot get it on my face fast enough. And this is, this retails for $24 or $23.95. An ultra gentle fruit derived facial peel with alpha hydroxy acids that remove dead skin for added smoothness and even tone. Applied just once a week, 5 minutes is all you need to achieve a dewy complexion with refreshness feeling. The mini spoon doubles as a spoon and a DIY massage tool. Oh, to like massage it into your face. Okay, very cool. So that was $23, and the Shea Terra was worth $16. And I believe that may be full size, but maybe this is full size. It's a generous It could be, and that definitely is full size, and that's $24. So this works really well. It's affordable. So the expert insight on the derma-e is that unlike many at-home peels, this is made with a non-abrasive blend of alpha hydroxy acids, which is an AHA, instead of harsh chemicals. Plus it's enhanced with vitamin C, citrus fruit peel puree, and glycolic acid to deliver bright, beautiful results. So it's got lots of good stuff. And this is a chemical exfoliant versus a physical, which has the abrasive stuff. All right, so let's bust into this tube here. And as you can see, it is filled to the top, and I am just going to dump it out. So many products with this box. It's insane. And that's why I stopped getting it before, because it was just, I was getting a lot. My shelves were just flowing over. But we'll go on to this item here, and this is NCLA Treatments So Rich Rose Petal, and this is roses, maybe red, but NCLA's purple soothing vitamin E treatment oil has us green with hand model envy. This luxurious cuticle oil nourishes nails, soothes cuticles, and boosts a subtle rose scent. And that is $18. $18 for this little bad boy. I don't like rose scented items, but it's for your cuticles. Big deal. Oh God, that is not subtle. That is strong. Okay. All right. So then the next item in here, Cosmetic, KOS Medic, Immunity by J. Cosmune Lotion. That was a very interesting way to say that, but I don't know how to say that. J. Cosmune, a fast-acting formula for all skin types that's backed by serious science. The do-it-all ingredient is extracted from the something mushroom. Okay, close. Okay, so this lotion is for, it's a citrus scent. Oh, very nice. But this is an all over the body scent. So I like that. Unlike a lot of skincare boxes, it is purely just for your face, and you can only put so much on your face. It's nice to get a body lotion, and this seems like it's a good one. This retails for $32. Ooh boy, that is expensive. And then the next item in here is Nyako Depuffing and Firming Eye Cream, and this retails for $39 at Ulta.com. That is so expensive. All of these products, but it's not, I act surprised, I'm not surprised, because for whatever reason this box just has a really high value. It is so worth every penny that you spend. I believe that a lot of their budget for marketing goes into this box or boxes similar, that they do the product. These companies are doing their marketing by sending them out in beauty boxes to give people a chance to give them a try and give their feedback. Very cool. I like that. So we're getting just a well-balanced box all around. I think so anyways. But it has this nice little applicator on there that makes it super easy. It's almost like a lip gloss style. Do like to use my finger just because, you know, it could build up with bacteria possibly. Maybe not. I don't know. I prefer, I've gotten used to doing it that way, so The next item is a Scalp Force. Oh my gosh, it's a UV filter hair tonic. And that is for your scalp, and it says all natural solution that protects the scalp and strands from the sun. And this spritz the tonic onto the scalp and down the lengths of your hair to protect from harmful UV rays. Reapply every 2 hours of direct sun exposure, just like using sunscreen on the face or body. How cool is that? What's the SPF? So the 7 added benefits: nourishes, fortifies, antioxidants, shine body and manageability, smoothing, detangling, refreshing scent, free of parabens, alcohol, and sulfates, so you're not going to get all that gunk into your hair. But it doesn't say what SPF it is. Well, it's going to be a mystery. I have no idea. That's okay. The next item in here is MMXV Infinitude. Alright, is that going to focus? Infinitude. Universal Facial Treatment. A 7-in-1 beauty cream that can be used around the eyes and on the face, neck to restore hydration and illumination. So softly pat into the skin during the day or night or whenever a little pick-me-up is needed. And the expert insight, this is my life's work. Universal Facial Treatment is a result-based product for ambitious people seeking a better, simple solution for looking their best, always. Proprietary cinematic technology reads skin on contact, allowing each ingredient to work where and when is needed best across each and every skin type. Okay, well so this is closed up there. It is a face. Oh my gosh, the full size of this is $225. What the hey? I didn't say how much this thing here was. This is $26, and then this right here, the full size is $225. What the heck? That is so expensive. Okay, I won't be buying a full size of that, that's for sure. Holy cow. Alright, the last item in here is a Grande Cosmetics, and this is an eyelash primer. Your eye makeup new water resistant best friend. This primer preps eyelashes with a non-flake fibers and peptides to lengthen and ease mascara application. So I know that these were really big. I had one 7 years ago. I had one where the one end was an eyeshadow primer and the other end was mascara. And I really liked using those because I would use the eye primer first and then get them all nice and coated up and then go in with the mascara, and I wouldn't have to use so much mascara that was black, and so washing it off in the evening was better. But I haven't done that in years. I ran out of it, and then I couldn't find the brand that I bought, and I tried other ones and they just didn't compare. I'm gonna give this a try. Why not? I like that it's white, and then my complaint with the other ones that I bought was that I couldn't get it to coat with the black to cover up the white, so it looked messy and patchy, and I don't even remember what brand it was. I honestly, if I seen the tube I would know it, but it's been years, so I don't know. I'll give it a try. I'll see. I'll wear eyelashes more than I do coats and coats of mascara, but when you use coats and coats of mascara at the end of the night trying to take it off, it's just, even with oil, sometimes it's just like, I just want to get my makeup off. I don't want to spend all this time getting it off. What a great box. Alright, I've said that like 35,000 times. I really enjoy this month's test tube, or it's a bi-monthly, so I do enjoy this go-around box. So we got the SPF for your hair, which sounds like it's more than an SPF, and that isn't actually the main thing, because I don't see, it's a UV filter. So what does that mean? Is that what sunblock is? Maybe I just assumed it was, but maybe it's not. So we received that. We received the nail cuticle oil, the under eye cream by Nyeko, the eyelash primer, the body lotion, the $225 MMXV Infinitude Universal Facial Treatment, and the derma-e facial peel. There was a huge pause there. I'm like, what is this? It's on the tip of my tongue, the tip of my brain. So this is a vitamin C